My dear friends, listen closely, because what I'm about to share may completely change how you think about rebuilding strength after 60. Every day I meet seniors who tell me, "Doctor, I eat well, I take protein powder, but I still feel my muscles fading." Their legs feel weaker, their arms thinner, and energy slips away no matter what they eat. Here's the truth. Most protein powders miss the one vital nutrient your aging muscles actually crave. Without it, your body can't rebuild what time has taken. But when you nourish your muscles naturally, with the right evening foods, your body begins to repair itself overnight. In today's video, you'll learn which simple natural foods can switch your body from muscle loss to muscle rebuild mode, even while you sleep. Stay with me until the end, because one of these foods might already be in your kitchen, yet you've been eating it the wrong way your entire life. So my friends, comment below, subscribe, and join our beautiful community, the best senior health channel where aging is embraced with strength, wisdom, and peace. Now, let's begin. Let me start with Ruth. She used to enjoy her daily walks and even tried protein shakes after breakfast. But lately, her legs felt weak when she stood up and her arms trembled while lifting light groceries. She told me, "It's like I'm shrinking from the inside." When we ran her muscle mass test, her results showed signs of sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. Despite eating enough calories, her body wasn't absorbing protein efficiently. That's the hidden problem. After 60, digestion slows, and your muscles can't use protein as they once did. Science shows that one natural compound, leucine, acts as the key that unlocks muscle repair. And do you know where it's richest? Not in expensive powders, but in eggs and fermented dairy like plain yogurt or kefir. These foods deliver amino acids your body can instantly use to rebuild strength. We replaced Ruth's synthetic protein powder with one boiled egg and a small cup of plain yogurt before bed. Within 2 weeks, she said, "I wake up less stiff. My body feels alive again." If you've been relying on protein powders, try this instead. 1 egg and half a cup of yogurt at night. It's natural, gentle, and your body understands it. Even if your digestion feels sensitive, these foods are soft, healing, and rich in nutrients your muscles crave. You're not powerless. Your body just needs real nourishment. And while Ruth's strength began to return, another patient discovered a food that does something even more remarkable. It helps muscles rebuild while you sleep. Next, I'll tell you about Peter. He loved gardening, but found his hands weaker and his back sore after even simple tasks. "I'm eating well, but my muscles still ache," he said. We checked his nighttime recovery, and his body showed low magnesium and poor protein utilization. His muscles weren't repairing after daily wear and tear. That's when we looked deeper into tryptophan-rich foods like pumpkin seeds and almonds. These foods help your brain release serotonin and melatonin, hormones that not only help you sleep, but also activate nighttime muscle repair. In simple words, your muscles rebuild best when you sleep deeply. Peter replaced his evening snack with a handful of pumpkin seeds and a small cup of warm milk. "Within 10 days, he said, I sleep through the night, and my body feels lighter in the morning." So tonight, try this natural combo: a warm cup of milk with a teaspoon of pumpkin seeds before bed. It's nature's recovery drink, no chemicals, no powders. You might think small changes don't matter, but your body notices every act of care. Even this simple ritual can awaken your muscles' natural healing rhythm. But what if I told you there's one food that doesn't just support muscle repair, it stops muscle loss almost instantly? Let me introduce Maria. Maria felt her body losing firmness. Her arms had softened, her legs looked thinner, and she feared she was aging too fast. "I tried everything," she said, "but I keep losing tone." Her blood test revealed a deficiency in omega-3s, fats that signal the body to build rather than break down muscle tissue. Research from top geriatric studies shows omega-3s, found in a wild fish and flax seeds, directly stimulate muscle protein synthesis, even without exercise. These healthy fats tell your body, preserve preserve strength. We swapped her low-fat dinners for 1 serving of salmon or a tablespoon of flaxseed oil over her vegetables. Within 3 weeks, she noticed her posture improving and energy returning. If you're vegetarian, flax seeds or chia seeds are your best allies. Add a spoonful to your yogurt or oatmeal before bed. Muscle loss isn't destiny, it's communication. Your body is saying, "Feed me what I recognize." Give it that, and it will thank you with strength. Before we continue, let's pause, because the next foods I'll share don't just restore strength, they renew youth from within. My dear friends, let's take a short moment together. You've already learned how natural foods like eggs, yogurt, pumpkin seeds, and flax can reignite your body's ability to rebuild strength. This is what our channel stands for: real science, real nourishment, real hope. Each week, I share gentle, evidence-backed ways to restore your balance, energy, and independence, so you can age with confidence, not fear. If this message resonates with you, please subscribe, tap the notification bell, and comment below which of these foods you'll start tonight. Remember, you're not alone. We're building a community that believes aging isn't decline, it's renewal. Now, let's continue, because the next food is one your grandmother probably used, and science finally explains why it works. Arthur had always believed strength came only from protein shakes. But one day, while helping his grandson move a box, he realized his arms felt powerless. When tested, Arthur's nitrogen balance, a key measure of muscle repair, was low. His body was breaking down more muscle than it built. The missing link? Collagen. After 60, our collagen production plummets, weakening connective tissue and slowing muscle recovery. But studies show that bone broth, rich in collagen, glycine, and minerals, can reverse this decline naturally. Arthur began sipping a warm cup of bone broth every evening. Within weeks, he said, "My joints don't ache anymore, and my grip feels stronger." If you're vegetarian, you can use lentil soup with a squeeze of lemon. It delivers amino acids that help collagen formation too. You don't need to chase expensive powders. Sometimes, your healing comes from the simplest, most nurturing foods you already know. And now, let's talk about the final food, one that repairs your muscles and your mind. Let me tell you about Evelyn. She told me, "I feel tired, forgetful, and my muscles feel empty." She had lost weight, but not the healthy kind. Her test revealed low levels of vitamin B12 and folate, nutrients essential for energy and protein absorption. Vitamin B12 acts like an ignition switch. It helps convert protein into usable energy and repairs muscle fibers damaged by daily movement. Found naturally in eggs, dairy, and leafy greens, it's one of the most overlooked nutrients for seniors. Evelyn began adding spinach omelets and yogurt with flaxseed to her routine. In just a month, she said softly, "I feel like my body is waking up again." If you often feel drained, focus on these 3. Eggs for protein, greens for folate, and dairy for absorption. Your body hasn't forgotten how to be strong. It just needs the right keys to unlock that memory. Even if progress feels slow, remember that every nourishing bite and mindful choice is rebuilding the strength hidden within you. Your muscles are listening, your energy is returning, and with patience, your body will answer back with gratitude and renewed vitality. And now, my dear friends, let's bring everything we've learned together. My dear friends, you don't need protein powders to rebuild strength. Your body already understands the language of nature. Let's recap. Eggs and yogurt to awaken repair, pumpkin seeds and milk for deep recovery, flax and fish oil for protection, bone broth to rebuild, greens and B12 to energize. These are not trends. They are timeless ways of honoring your body's wisdom. If this information could save your health, imagine what it could do for someone you care about. Don't keep this to yourself. Share it with your friends and family today. It might be the difference between lasting strength and preventable suffering. And before you go, don't miss 2 powerful guides that will help you continue your journey. In Seniors, stop relying on walking alone. Do these 5 exercises daily. You'll discover how to build real, lasting strength right from home. And in Seniors, add years of strength and clarity. 6 ancient exercises reveal how. You'll uncover gentle movements that have kept elders around the world vibrant and sharp for decades. Remember, seniors, aging isn't losing power. It's remembering the strength that's always been within you. Stay strong, stay gentle, and may your nights be peaceful and your mornings full of light.